If you think the Linux terminal is boring, you are about to change your mind. Last year, I shared a Linux terminal customization video and it crossed hundreds of thousands of views. A lot of you asked, okay, this looks cool, what next? So, in this video, I'll show you 7 terminal tools that don't just customize your terminal, they turn it into a visual playground. Are these tools practical for serious work? Not really. Are they insanely fun? Absolutely. Let's start. Terminal Text Effects is my recent favorite. It's a visual effects engine that lets you add super fancy text effects right inside the terminal. You simply pipe any command into it and choose an effect as an option. Just look at how cool these effects are. Adding a thunderstorm effect to a weather report just feels right. And if the spotlight effect doesn't impress you, how about a full blown laser show in the terminal? At the time of recording this video, there are 35 different effects available. The nice thing is that the GitHub repository and documentation actually shows these effects in action, making it easier to pick your favorites. Have you noticed the terminal screenshot in its first articles lately? They look clean, beautiful, and properly branded. That's the magic of Starship. Starship changes the prompt in your terminal. You just run the installation script and add one line to your bash RC file. After that, head over to the Starship website and browse through the presets. If you like one, just apply it. Under the hood, it modifies the starship.toml file, which you can tweak yourself to create a completely new custom prompt. For example, we have created multiple custom prompt spreads first, and we even have a special Christmas themed one. There is practically no limit to how much you can customize. Next up is lolcat. If you pipe a command through lolcat, it gives you a colorful output. And not just that, with a few extra options, you can even animate the colors. You can make the classic matrix effect colorful, or even run a rainbow train across your terminal. Just keep an eye on CPU users. Things can get a little intense at times. Next up, Fast Fetch. By default, Fast Fetch displays your distro's ASCII logo along with system information, but it's highly configurable. We actually use several custom Fast Fetch config files in our tutorials and videos. You can download those directly from our GitHub repository if you want. We also have a dedicated video covering Fast Fetch and all the different ways you can customize it. So make sure you check out that if you want to dive deeper with Fast Fetch. Next up, completely useless but undeniably fun, Colorscripts. These scripts display colorful ASCII characters in your terminal. You can even add them to your .bash RC file so they show up every time you open a terminal. Did you notice something else in this section? There is a sword-like effect every time I type. That's the cursor trail effect. This one is specific to the Kitty terminal, and I'm not sure which other terminal support it. But if you're using Kitty, you can enable it by editing the config file. You can even choose your own color using a hex color code. Save the file, restart Kitty, and enjoy this surprisingly satisfying effect. With TTY Clock, you can display an ASCII clock right inside your terminal. By default, it sits in the top left corner. But if you want to amuse people, use the -R option. Then it starts bouncing around like a screensaver. Just like those old DVD logos, if you remember them, and if you're old enough to remember them. I will end this list with TUIOS. It's kind of like a terminal multiplexer, but with a twist. TUIOS is a terminal-based window manager that provides a modern and efficient way to manage multiple terminal sessions. You'll need to learn a few keyboard shortcuts here, like N for a new window, T for toggle tiling mode, I to enter interactive mode, escape key to return to window management, tab to switch between windows, and question mark to open the help screen. You can always check the documentation to explore more features. Of course, there are many more such utilities out there, but I can only show a handful of the ones I personally use. I hope you found this video helpful and maybe even fun enough to amuse your friends and family. Stay subscribed and keep on Linuxing. Bye bye.